Bolivia, a landlocked country in South America, is a place of incredible natural beauty. From towering mountains to vast salt flats, Bolivia's landscapes are truly awe-inspiring. Join me as we embark on a visual journey to discover the breathtaking scenery of this hidden gem. Bolivia has something to offer every traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or cultural immersion, Bolivia will captivate your senses. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders that await. Imagine standing on an endless expanse of white, the ground stretching as far as the eye can see. The horizon seems to blur into the sky, creating an almost otherworldly effect. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. Spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, this vast expanse of salt is a natural wonder that defies imagination. This surreal landscape is a photographer's dream, especially during the rainy season when the salt flat transforms into a giant mirror. The thin layer of water that covers the salt creates perfect reflections of the sky, making it difficult to distinguish where the earth ends and the heavens begin. The sheer vastness of Salar de Uyuni is humbling. It's a place where you can truly appreciate the scale of nature's wonders. The salt flat is so expansive that it can be seen from space, a testament to its grandeur. As you walk across the salt crust, it feels like stepping onto another planet. The ground beneath your feet is hard and crunchy, a stark contrast to the soft, powdery salt that covers the surface. The air is crisp and dry, and the silence is almost deafening. Keep an eye out for the unique rock formations that dot the landscape, sculpted by wind and time. These natural sculptures, known as islands, rise up from the salt flat like ancient sentinels. Their shapes and textures are testament to the power of erosion. The salt itself is a marvel. Up close, you can see the intricate patterns and formations of the salt crystals, each one unique and beautiful in its own way. The salt is harvested by local communities, who have been doing so for generations. Salar de Uyuni is also home to a surprising array of wildlife. During the rainy season, the salt flat becomes a breeding ground for flamingos, who flock to the area in search of food. Their vibrant pink feathers stand out against the stark white of the salt, creating a stunning visual contrast. As the day comes to an end, the salt flat takes on a new character. The setting sun casts a warm, golden glow over the landscape, and the sky is painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left this magical place. And when night falls, the salt flat reveals yet another of its wonders. The clear, unpolluted skies offer some of the best stargazing opportunities in the world. The Milky Way stretches out above you, a glittering ribbon of stars that seems close enough to touch. Whether you're a photographer, a nature lover, or simply someone looking for a unique adventure, Salar de Uyuni has something to offer. It's a place that challenges your perceptions and leaves you in awe of the natural world. So come, stand on this endless expanse of white, and let the magic of Salar de Uyuni wash over you. It's an experience you'll never forget. Prepare to be immersed in the vibrant heart of the Amazon rainforest. This lush ecosystem teems with life, from colorful macaws soaring through the canopy to playful monkeys swinging through the trees. A journey through the Amazon is a sensory overload. The air is thick with humidity and the sounds of exotic birdsong. Take a guided tour to learn about the incredible biodiversity of this rainforest and witness its magic firsthand. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains lies Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. This majestic body of water sits at an elevation of over 12,500 feet, straddling the border between Peru and Bolivia. The lake is not only a geographical wonder, but also a cultural and historical treasure trove. Its vast expanse covers more than 3,200 square miles, making it one of the largest lakes in South America. The surrounding Andes Mountains add to the lake's dramatic beauty, creating a stunning backdrop that captivates all who visit. The deep blue waters of the lake reflect the sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle. On a clear day, the water's surface becomes a mirror, perfectly capturing the clouds and the azure sky above. This natural phenomenon is a photographer's dream, offering endless opportunities to capture the interplay of light and water. The clarity of the water is so remarkable that it almost feels like you are looking into another world, a world where the sky meets the water in perfect harmony. explore the floating islands of Euros, made entirely of reeds, and experience the unique culture of the Euros people. These islands are a marvel of human ingenuity, constructed from totora reeds that grow abundantly in the lake. The Euros people have lived on these floating islands for centuries, maintaining a way of life that is deeply connected to the lake. Visitors can learn about their traditional fishing techniques, reed boat building, and the intricate process of island construction. The Euros community is welcoming and eager to share their rich heritage with those who venture to their unique homes. The serenity of Lake Titicaca is truly special. As the sun rises over the horizon, the lake is bathed in a golden light, creating a peaceful and almost otherworldly atmosphere. The gentle lapping of the water against the shore and the distant calls of birds add to the sense of tranquility. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the natural beauty and calmness that surrounds you. Take a boat trip across the lake and soak in the tranquility of the surroundings. Whether you choose a traditional reed boat or a modern vessel, the experience is equally enchanting. As you glide across the calm waters, you'll have the chance to see the lake from different perspectives, each more beautiful than the last. The boat trip also offers a unique opportunity to visit some of the lake's hidden gems, such as secluded bays and lesser-known islands, each with its own story to tell. Don't forget to visit Isla del Sol, believed to be the birthplace of the Inca sun god. This island is steeped in history and mythology, with ancient ruins and sacred sites that date back to the Inca civilization. As you explore the island, you'll come across terraced fields, stone pathways, and breathtaking viewpoints that offer panoramic views of the lake. Isla del Sol is not just a place of historical significance, it's also a place of natural beauty, with lush landscapes and vibrant flora that make it a paradise for hikers and nature lovers alike. Whether you're drawn by its historical allure or its scenic charm, Isla del Sol is a must-visit destination on Lake Titicaca. Section 5. The majestic Andes, reaching for the heavens. The Andes Mountains dominate the landscape of Bolivia, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. These majestic mountains offer breathtaking views and opportunities for hiking, trekking, and mountain biking. The air is thin at these high altitudes, but the views are worth the effort. Visit the charming city of La Paz, perched high in the Andes, and take a cable car ride for panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. Section 6. Eduardo Avaroa, a tapestry of color and life. Prepare to be amazed by the otherworldly landscapes of Eduardo Avaroa Andean Fauna National Reserve. This high-altitude reserve is home to colorful lagoons, geysers that erupt from the earth, and a variety of wildlife, including flamingos, vicuñas, and vizcachas. The stark beauty of Eduardo Avaroa is captivating. Take a jeep tour across the rugged terrain and marvel at the vibrant colors of the lagoons, created by algae and minerals. Section 7. The people of Bolivia, warmth and hospitality. Bolivia is a country that not only captivates with its breathtaking landscapes, but also with the warmth and hospitality of its people. Beyond its stunning scenery, Bolivia is also home to warm and welcoming people. The locals are known for their friendliness and their eagerness to share their rich cultural heritage with visitors. Whether you are wandering through the vibrant streets of a city or exploring a remote village, you will always be greeted with a smile and a kind word. Experience the rich culture of the indigenous communities and be charmed by their hospitality. The indigenous people of Bolivia, including the Quechua and Aymara, have preserved their traditions and customs for centuries. They are proud of their heritage and are always willing to share their stories, music, and dances with visitors. Attending a cultural festival or a traditional ceremony is a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and to experience the genuine warmth of the Bolivian people. From the bustling markets of La Paz to the tranquil villages nestled in the Andes, you'll encounter the spirit of Bolivia through its people. The markets are a hub of activity, where you can see locals buying and selling goods, and where you can taste delicious local foods. In the villages, you can experience the slower pace of life and the close-knit community spirit that defines rural Bolivia. Take the time to interact with locals, and you will be rewarded with unforgettable experiences. Whether you're chatting with a vendor at a market, sharing a meal with a family, or listening to stories from a local guide, you will gain a deeper understanding of the Bolivian way of life. The people of Bolivia are proud of their country and are always happy to share their knowledge and experiences with visitors. Learn a few phrases in Spanish or Aymara, and you will find that the locals appreciate your efforts to communicate in their language. Even a simple greeting or a thank you can go a long way in building connections and showing respect for the local culture. Language lessons are widely available, and taking the time to learn a few words can enhance your travel experience and help you to connect more deeply with the people you meet and savor the flavors of Bolivian cuisine. The food in Bolivia is as diverse as its people, with a wide range of dishes that reflect the country's rich cultural heritage. From hearty stews and soups to fresh salads and grilled meats, there is something to suit every palate. Street food vendors offer a variety of tasty snacks, and traditional dishes are often prepared with locally sourced ingredients. Sharing a meal with locals is a great way to experience the warmth and hospitality of the Bolivian people, and to learn more about their culinary traditions. Section 8. Exploring Bolivia, an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a nature lover, or a culture buff, Bolivia has something to offer everyone. From trekking through the Amazon to marveling at salt flats, your journey through Bolivia will be an unforgettable adventure. So pack your bags, embrace the unexpected, and prepare to be captivated by the beauty of Bolivia. This South American gem is waiting to be explored. Section 9. Your journey awaits. Discover your own Bolivia. What part of Bolivia's breathtaking scenery excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which destination would you love to explore? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Let's discover the world together, one adventure at a time.